Hello guys! How are you guys? I'm here right now at Resort World and I have a pre-play. Let's see, I have $40 but I'm just gonna get 20. What's that? Oh, wrong. My PIN number. Let's get $20. Confirm. Okay. Alright, I have $20 there. Let's do just a penny. Okay, here we go. Let's go. First spin. Hopefully we can get a bonus. Just one bonus. At least. One bonus at least. So come on, open up. Okay, that's good. Okay. Come on. Oh, I don't know how can you open that one. Jack all the way. Okay. Come on, open. Oh, didn't open. Open. Oh, didn't open. Open. No. I still have $6. Come on. Open. Oh, yes. Open. And I still have $5 left. Oh my God. Come on. Be nice to us. Be nice to us. Be nice to us. Come on. Lots of coins. Oh, we got the gold. We got the gold. Come on. S because I am super. Come on. Give us a good one. Okay. I'm gonna take the mini. Mini is good. Because this is only a pre-play, guys. So mini is good. And that's a first spin. First spin. Okay, more of that. More of that. Come on. More of the, oh no, the green is over there. Come on. Oh, that's good. Okay. Come on. Gave us the major. Or gave us the grand. Super grand. Right. Okay. S again. S. Come on. Gave us a good one. Oh, super. Like I said, because I am super. $50. Dun, 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 dun. Oh well, that's a pre-play, guys. That's super freaking good. Hey, come on, give us like that again. Oh, okay. Okay. Come on, gold again, or green. Oh, it just went by. Alright. Oh, green up. Do I have gold? No gold. Okay. That's good. Two more spin. Come on, gold. Oh, no gold. Come on. What's that? Oh, 150. Alright. Oh, that's it. Oh, but guys, that's a freaking big win for me because it's just a pre-play. It's just a pre-play. Yep. And I still have $5. So hopefully we can open those two. Here we go. Come on, open. Oh, I didn't open. Last spin. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching.